Hello, everybody. Buenas noches a todos. Soy Melina Pineda, soy directora de Musicalia. Si me ven en pijama, ya con mi carita lavada, es porque ya es la hora de dormir y yo quería poder compartir este libro tal y como lo hacía conmigo. Así que vamos a leer The Interrupting Chicken by David Ezra Stein. Okay. It was bedtime for the little red chicken. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you all ready to go to sleep? Yes, Papa. But you forgot something. What's that? Asked Papa. A bedtime story. All right, said Papa. I'll read one of your favorites. And of course you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you? Oh no, Papa. I'll be good. All right. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods, they found a house made of candy. Nibble, nibble, nibble. They began to eat the house until the old woman who lived there came out and said, "What lovely children! Why don't you come inside?" They were just about to follow her when out jumped the little red chicken and she said, "Don't go in! She's a witch!" So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Chicken! Yes, Papa? You interrupted the story, trying not to get so involved. I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep. Let's try another story. I'll be good. Little Red Riding Hood. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, said Little Red Riding Hood's mother, but don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger. Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by, she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't talk to strangers." So Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. Chicken. Yes, Papa? You did it again. You interrupted 2 stories. And you're not even sleepy. I know, Papa. I'm sorry. But he was a mean old wolf. Yes, now get back into bed. Okay, Papa. Let's try one more little story. And I'll be good. Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm the sky was falling when out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't panic, that was just an acorn." So Chicken Little didn't. The end. Chicken. Yes, Papa? You did it again. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read one more story, and I promise I'll fall asleep. But Chicken, said Papa, we're out of stories. Oh, no, Papa. I can't go to sleep without a story. Then, said Papa, yawning, why don't you tell me a story? Me? Tell a story? Said the little red chicken. Okay, Papa. Here we go. Miren qué bello. Chicken escribiendo su propio libro. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her Papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed wide awake all. Papa? ¿Y qué creen? Se durmió. Se durmió. Good night, Papa. The End. ¿Qué les parece? Tenía razón Leo, me encanta, me encanta, me encanta. Lo leemos desde que Leo tenía, creo que 4 años. Bueno, espero que lo hayan disfrutado. Muchas gracias y que descansen. Bye, bye.
Gracias por sintonizar nuestro canal de YouTube. Si todavía no te has suscrito, hazlo ahora y dale like a este video para seguir recibiendo contenido de educación interactiva que solamente encontrarás en Museo Chiminike.